Hey guys, this is June Collier, VP of Marketing with Iconz, and wanted to shoot this quick video. We've got a call tonight at 9 p.m. So make sure that you get on the 2019 kickoff call at 9 p.m. It's going to be via myiconlive.com. So make sure you get logged in and get on that particular call. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to share this with you real quick. I want to share this information with you real quick because this is going to happen in 2019. So we're really pushing the smart credit system. We're really pushing teaching people how to fix and repair their own credit. Iconz is not a credit repair company. We are a financial literacy company. We are not fixing people's credit. We are showing them how to fix their own credit. So if somebody asks you if we are a credit repair company, the answer is no. We're not a credit repair company, but we do show people how to fix and repair their own credit. Now, you're going to get some people that's coming out of the woodworks on you. So I'm doing a free credit repair workshop at the end of this month in Warner Robins. And I got someone that was in the credit repair industry that, kind of went after me simply because one of the things that I stated in my flyer is why you should not use a credit repair specialist to fix your credit. And I'm a big believer in that. And you guys have seen why I believe that. And I stand by that. I stand by the fact that you should take care of your own finances. You should be able to fix and repair your own credit. You don't have to spend $500 to $1,000 to fix your credit. And the credit repair system that we have shows you step by step what you need to do. It shows you exactly what the credit repair specialists are doing and more. It shows you even more than what they're actually doing. And so I truly believe with all of my heart that we have the best product out there when it comes to credit repair. Now, will there be people out there who just want somebody to do it for them? There are going to always be people like that. But here's what I say. If you won't take interest in your own personal finances, you can never expect for your finances to get any better. See, if you are relying on somebody else to take care of your finances, if you're relying on somebody else to take care of your credit, then you're always going to be in a situation where financially you're struggling. See, if you're too busy to fix your own credit, then maybe that's the reason why you're in the situation that you're in. And all I'm doing here is I'm just trying to educate the masses on what they can do to fix and repair their credit. You see, for a long time, people did not understand the industry. They didn't understand how you could go out and actually fix and repair your own credit. So they went and they paid people for that because they didn't have the knowledge. And when you don't have any knowledge, you pay premium price because you don't have the knowledge. So those that were fixing credit, they made a ton of money because people just didn't know. And they were able to charge them $500, $1,000, $2,000 to work on their credit, to improve their credit score. But here's what the industry also says. Those people that get their credit fixed by a credit repair specialist, within 18 to 24 months, they need them again to do it again. You know why? Because they never figured out what caused the problem in the first place. They never fixed the problem. And so what we do here at Iconz is we teach financial literacy. And I'm not ashamed about that. I am happy about what we do here in Iconz. So for anybody out there that's doing credit repair, listen, I'm not trying to down your hustle. All I'm just trying to say is that in the world, things change. Society changes constantly. And if I were a credit repair expert, I would say, let me take a look at what these guys are doing. Let me see what they're teaching, and let me see how I can incorporate it in my business instead of coming on my timeline and trying to hate on me. I'm just trying to educate people. I'm just trying to show them that there is a better way. Now, I'm not responsible for, somebody that comes in Iconz today and then tomorrow they're out there posting some crazy stuff. Because, see, I don't promise you a 750 credit score. I say that if you go through the smart credit system, you will learn how to improve your score. You'll learn how to improve your score. What that score is going to become, I don't know. I don't know your personal situation. But if you actually apply what we teach, you will see your score improve. That's what I talk about. I talk about if you have erroneous items on your credit report, if they're inaccurate, if they are old things that are on your credit report, we can show you how to delete those things. I don't tell you that I'm going to show you how to delete a bankruptcy that you just got into 6 months ago. That's not something that I promote. But what I do promote is that if you've got a bankruptcy that's on your credit report that's older than 10 years old, we can show you how to remove that. We can show you how to remove inaccurate items on your credit report. We can show you how to remove old, outdated items from your credit report. So when you read the flyer, when you look at the flyer, everything that I state is within reason. It's within reason. So and I'm not hating on credit repair folks, right? I'm just not. But the world has changed. The world is going to change. And if the credit repair industry doesn't wake up and see that people are getting the information and they're going to do it themselves, well, the credit repair industry is going to end up like Blockbuster. They're going to end up like Kodak. Because, see, regardless of whether you hate it or not, it's changing. And I'm so happy to be a part of that change right here at my Econ. We're part of that change because we're educating people on how to fix their credit themselves. So be prepared for all of these credit repair specialists to come at you. Be prepared for them to say that you don't know what you're talking about. Be prepared for them to just criticize you. Be prepared. Because if you weren't doing something that really mattered, then nobody cares about it. Nobody would say anything about it. Right? And again, I'm not hating on credit repair people because here's what I know. There will always be people out there who don't want to do it. There's going to always be people out there who don't want to fix their own credit. I apologize for the noise. I'm standing outside. It's getting a little dark out here. But there will always be people who don't want to fix their credit. And so there will always be a need for a credit repair specialist. And if you're that person that just doesn't want to take interest in your finances, well, you're not my target audience anyway. I'm only looking for people who want to improve their finances, people who want to actually take an interest in their own finances. If you don't want to take an interest in your finances and you want to pay somebody $500 to fix your credit, then go at it. I'm not hating on you on that. But what I am saying is there's a reason why your finances are jacked up. There's a reason why your score is the way that it is if you're not even interested in taking time to learn about credit, right? So guys, you know, I did a impromptu video last night where I went through the credit repair workshop. I went through the slides. I taught on it, and we're going to continue to do that. And in 2019, we're actually changing this industry. We're changing this industry because we're educating the masses, and that's what our job is. And I want each and every one of you that are part of my Econ, I want you to go out and I want you to teach, and I want you to share with people, and I want you to educate people. They don't have to pay $500 to $1,000 to fix their credit. They don't have to do that. They can learn how to do it for themselves. And that's what we're here to do. You're going to piss some people off. It's going to be some people in the credit repair industry that are upset because you're cutting into their profits. But baby, this is capitalism. Capitalism at its best. And we got the best product around. We've got the best product at the best price. You can get a business. We got it. We got it. So listen, don't come at me about, I shouldn't be teaching people to fix their credit themselves and we don't know what we talk. Don't come at me with that. Don't come at me with that. I understand if you're in the industry and you're seeing all these people all over the country talking about here's how you do it yourself. I understand why you should be nervous. But that doesn't mean that what we teach is wrong. What we teach is good. What we teach is good and it helps people. And we're going to continue to help people. And if you get mad about it, if you're in the credit repair industry and you get mad about us teaching other people how to fix their credit for themselves, then I don't know what to tell you. You don't care about the people anyway. Here's what they say. The industry says that a person that pays someone to fix their credit within 18 to 24 months, they got to go back and have them fix it again. Right? So guys, this guy just got me hot. He got me hot, right? And it's just because we're helping people, and he's in the credit repair industry, and I understand he feels like we are taking some money out of his pockets, and possibly we could be, but that's the world. Blockbuster, listen, Netflix doesn't owe Blockbuster any explanation. They don't owe Blockbuster an apology. The world changed. Netflix took over. The world changed and Blockbuster went under. That's just the way that it is. Kodak film. Nobody uses Kodak film anymore, right? Your camera is your phone. The world changed. So if you're a credit repair expert, you need to either get out of it, look at it for a new occupation, or figure out how you can add to your services. But sitting here arguing with me and trying to fight with me about what we teach, that's a moot point. Because people understand that what we teach is real. Everything in our smart credit system is real. It's real. So that's all I got, man. I got to get ready for tonight's call. For those of you that don't know, we have a kickoff call tonight that starts at 9 p.m. It's on myiconlive.com, so we want to see you there. I got to get back into the office and go ahead and finish these slides, get these slides ready for tonight's call. But I wanted to send that to you because, you know, I posted this flyer. It's a beautiful looking flyer as well. If you haven't seen the flyer, go look on my timeline. It's a nice looking flyer. But I posted the flyer. We're going to be in Warner Robins at the end of this month doing a free credit repair workshop. Man, I ain't holding back nothing. I'm going to go in hard. So if you know someone that's in the Warner Robins, the Macon area, I believe they call that Central Georgia or Middle Georgia. If you know anybody that's in that area, the last Saturday of this month, I'm going to be doing a workshop down there. And you need to get your people there. If you got some people there in the area, get them there. If you're a credit repair expert, come on out. Listen, I just signed up a young lady who was a credit repair specialist. I ain't trying to hate against credit repair specialists, but she realized that there were some things that that just wasn't working in her industry, and she saw what we were doing, and she says, you know what? I can add value to my clients with what you guys have. I can add value. See, that's a smart person who says, listen, I understand that nothing stays the same. There's always going to be change. And I see change in my industry, so let me get on board with what they're doing because what they do makes sense. And she got on board. And she's a credit repair specialist. But then you got other credit repair specialists hating on you. Man, whatever, right? So anyway, we'll see you tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is June Collier, VP of Marketing with this awesome company that we call Iconz. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll chat with you soon. We'll see you on the call tonight at 9 p.m. Take care.